Hey, what's up everyone? Today I want to walk you through a workflow I have been tinkering with lately that turns long-form content into ready-to-post clips. I took the raw audio from a recent project and figured I would show you the whole step-by-step process because honestly it is getting pretty addictive to use. First up, I hit the upload button and dropped my audio file right into the platform. You get a choice of transcription models, so you can pick a fast one for quick drafts or a more precise one for high-quality captions. I went with the middle tier for a good balance, and for an 8-minute video it only took about 30 seconds to process, which is honestly impressive. One major tip is to check your frame rate settings to match your editing software, whether you are working in 23.98 or 60 frames per second. It helps your clip exports and timeline placement behave predictably, so do not sleep on that setting if you want to avoid jittery results. Next are the text and caption preferences, where you can customize font, size, color, and background bars for your closed captions. I decided to pick a bright red accent color for my text because it really pops off the feed on mobile devices. One of the coolest bits in the new build is the title layout control, which lets you set the maximum words per line for each caption block. The default was a bit conservative with 1 word per line, so I bumped it up to 6 words per line to make everything much more readable. When switching to vertical output, you have to watch out for the sides getting cut off, so adjusting those lines is key for a polished look. It is similar to setting up captions manually in professional software, except the platform does the heavy lifting of chopping the content into chunks. You can also nudge the caption position if you want them lower or higher depending on where your other graphics might sit on the screen. I dragged the vertical offset down by 300 units just to keep the titles out of the speaker's face, which makes a huge visual difference. Now, one small limitation in this early version is that you cannot fine-tune the timing of every single caption directly inside the tool. If I want to get extra precise to match a snappy cut, I export the SRT file and import it directly into my main editing software. The clip selector is getting smarter at aligning text to speech, so I expect that level of manual control to arrive in the near future. Speaking of exports, you can save SRT files, which is perfect if you need legal compliant closed captions for platforms like YouTube. My workflow involves generating the captions, tweaking the layout, and then exporting vertical and landscape packs to my main library. This saved me a ton of repetitive work when I was creating multiple versions for all the different platforms I post to. Now, let's talk about the feature that made me truly fall for this: the auto-editing engine that finds the viral parts for you. You can feed it a long talk, and it analyzes engagement markers and speech energy to pull out the laugh, the mic drop moments, and the one-liners. I ran an hour-long live stream through it, and in minutes I had a dozen ready-to-post clips that actually felt like highlights. Many creators do not have time to manually scrub through hours of footage, and other services often lock you behind expensive tiers just for basic clips. This platform also bundles scheduling, so you can set your posting frequency and let the AI queue everything up for you automatically. It has a content calendar, so you can see, edit, and reorder all your posts across platforms in one single organized place. Auto Schedule was a lifesaver for me during a week where I had a massive backlog of clips and could not be in front of my laptop. It is not total magic. You still want to glance over what goes out, but it took the heavy lifting off my plate completely. I have tested other tools that promised similar automation, but many were pricey or lacked a central calendar interface to manage the distribution. This tool hits the sweet spot between automation and control, especially when it comes to the price versus the features you get. I also love the little touches like the focus blur preset, which adds a professional aesthetic to time-lapse clips without extra effort. Looking ahead, I am excited for features like karaoke-style caption effects and even smarter automatic width adjustments to keep text perfect. They are also planning better centering logic, so what you see in the preview matches exactly what you get when you import it into your final project. It is smart that they are focusing on getting the core reliability right before they move into ultra-flashy templates and social gimmicks. If you are a creator posting regularly, this can be a game changer because it combines intelligent clip extraction with auto scheduling. Use it as a time saver and a creative assistant. But remember, it is not a replacement for your personal taste and your unique voice. You still need to be the one to pick which moments resonate with your audience and make that final call on the narrative. I am planning to release a more structured tutorial showing every step in detail, but for now, I wanted to share this hands-on peek. Anyway, thanks for following along with me on this walkthrough today. If you have suggestions or want me to test other tools, drop a comment below and I will get to work on that for the next one. Enjoy the editing process and the hustle, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.